Stanislav, I'm a little bit concerned with O-1B visa, and I don't understand how many employers or projects can I get under this category of visas. Guys, today I'm gonna cover this question and answer all your questions regarding this, and also will give you the opportunity to go through free evaluation of your O-1B case. Let's go. Hello my dear friends, I'm Stanislav Shamayev, the licensed business immigration and corporate attorney in Miami, Florida. O-1B visa is one of my specializations because it's a talent visa and that's what I do all day, every day. That's why I'm qualified to answer all your questions. Now, let's take a step back and remember what is O-1B, why B, why not A, and why there is a letter there overall. O-1B is a non-immigrant visa that may be given to you if you are in a television, movies industry, or art. And also beauty, some marketing cases are O-1B, blogging, and influencers fall within this category. It may be given to you for 3 years and could be extended by a year indefinitely. As long as your employer still needs you, and you heard the word employer, meaning that you must have an employer in the US whom you will be working for. I think that's the core of today's discussion, is who is your employer and what their role is in your case. To get the O-1B besides the employer and no objection letter, don't worry about this. Don't worry about no objection letter, you'll get it. We need to prove at least 3 criteria out of the 6 available. And I would argue there's 7. The 7th one is alternative criterion. But what are those criteria? The critical or essential role in the past and in the future in the company, or in the company with a distinguished reputation. The participation in prestigious events in the past and in the future. The press about you, recommendation letters. The critical reviews or commercial success. And your own commercial success, so the money that you make. So we have those 6 criteria. We need 3 of them, but usually we get 4, 5, or even more. Criteria is not that important for me, because if you are in this industry and you get a little bit of recognition, you will be good, okay? And we can always work, and we have instruments to improve your petition as we work on it. We're gonna get you filed with all these criteria. We're gonna get you approved with 99%. That's the approval rate of O-1 visas in my company. Your question is, Stanislav, let's say I'm an artist or I'm an actor, and yes, I'm gonna do this, but what if something comes up in the future and I wanna participate in that? Do I have to refile or file my case or explain something? So the best thing initially, if you don't know how you're gonna develop here in the US, is to still know as much as possible for the near future. So know exactly what you're gonna be doing. If you're gonna be playing in this movie, if you're gonna do shots for this brand, if you're gonna create content for these guys, if you're gonna do the nails for that salon, and so on, right? So that's the best thing to know. However, sometimes it's just impossible. Sometimes, like in the beauty industry, okay, you may know for 3 to 6 months, but then it's just the way the industry works, right? And even the playing as an actor, okay, you know this movie, but there's gonna be the next one, but you don't know which one. The US Congress envisioned that in this particular part for O-1B. So what they did is they created the so-called agency employer, who is your agent. That could be one person who is in this industry, or it could be a company, all right? And by the way, it could be your own company, okay? That's also possible. So if you have that agent whom you're working for, and the role of that agent is kind of be a middleman between you and your future project, your future work, and do the commercial stuff. So agents get the commission, right? You understand that, everybody understands that. If your employer is that part of O-1B, which is possible, then it's not a problem that you will be participating in the future projects that you didn't know about in the past. Because that's what agents are for. They're looking for those projects and they kind of resell your services to them. So it's a win-win for everybody, for you, for agent, and for the future project or employer. So that's how I think is the best thing to approach O-1B. To have either your own LLC serving as an agent, or having an American agent as a company or as a person who is in your industry who will be helping you to get the future projects for a commission. In case that you started working for a company and then you got an opportunity to have an agent on your behalf, we will need to refile your O-1B case from this company to this agent. That's easy, that's kind of the same. Yes, it's a new filing, it's a new government fee, but it's a better result for you. So now, how to get a free evaluation in your case to explore all your opportunities. There is a link below this video. Please click on it and fill out the form so I know more details about your career, and within 2 days I will get back to you with a free analysis of your case and let you know if you have the potential in your O-1B visa or maybe other visas. And if I see the potential to improve, pack, describe and send your case within the next 6 months, I will invite you to the complex immigration planning, where I will create a written winning strategy for your case, which you're going to be implementing with my team once you start under my control. Get the free evaluation right now. Also, subscribe to my YouTube channel, smash that like button if you like my video. Also, smash the bell button not to miss my future videos. I also have Telegram, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Twitter and other platforms. The links to them you could find under this video. My name is Stanislav Shamayev. I'm a lawyer of the future. Your future begins here. Good luck.